spoon. Watch this. Okay, now eat it. Good job, my Micah. Woohoo! Micah is 13.5 months old.
And very messy.
Yeah.
But very successful.
Yes, indeed.
Oh yes, put it back in there. Oh, that was too slow. Okay, now put it on your spoon.
Tell the camera all about it.
Okay, now eat it. You've got B. Eat it. Oh yeah? That's very well said. Very articulate. Oh, just your spoon. Just your spoon. Should mommy do it? Bless you. Yeah, let's change your grip a little bit here. Here you go, sweetie.